Hello everyone, welcome to VL Coding channel. So this playlist will help you to learn basic coding. In most of the interviewers, they might ask many coding problems. So in this playlist, I'll solve many of the problems, and it will help you to crack any interviews. Why? Because in most of the interviewers, they might ask some basic questions only. They didn't go for advanced level. Suppose if you are trying to get in if you are a fresher and get into in this software world, this playlist will help you to learn these type of coding questions like printing n natural numbers, Fibonacci series, and printing ladder problems, and sorting, searching, and many of the questions they might ask in most of the interviewers. So first, printing a text. Normally in Python, we can just print any text by using a print function. So to print any text within the double quotation or single quotation, you can print the text. And if you are printing any numbers, you don't have to use double quotations or single quotation. You just in printf function, in print function, you just add a number. Suppose storing any value like a text or number and storing in any other variable, and you try to print by using that variable only. So let's start with the first program, hello world. That's it. It's just as simple as like when you compare to other programming language in Java and C++. So this playlist will help you to learn basic coding. So in the next video, we'll solve printing n natural numbers. So see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.